Your chin must touch your sternal area. Yan, perfect mo. And take note there's rigidity or tawag ito, pain inside the nape area. Okay? So, pagka-flex ng ganyan, turn the patient at the right or the left side. Then assess if there's pain. Kung pediatric patient, kung pediatric patient yan, usually ganyan ang hawak. Nalipin ulo ng patient, kahanap ang ganyan, then turn ng ganyan. So, take note, kung umiyak ang pasyente, mayroong resistance to movements, to your movements, then there is loop allergicity, positive loop allergicity yun. So, ibig sabihin, your patient might be behaving many times. Okay? Then, again, your turning side. Turning side, ang gagawin naman natin is turn. Excuse me. These legs, the thigh should be raised. Flex natin ang legs. Thigh. Flex yung thigh. Then, the leg should be extended slowly. Dahan-dahan. Then, the extent we have to know if there's rigidity or pain inside the lumbar area. Kung meron siyang may releasing na pain. Okay? Again, at the other side also.
Ate. Ating sexy. Patasin mo.
Kung meron pareho, dapat pareho may pain yan. Okay, dapat pareho. Kung unilateral lang, ibig sabihin isang area lang ang may pain, ibig sabihin mo that your patient is only presenting with lumbosacral compression. Meron lang na-ipit na lumbosacral dito sa dito. So dapat bilateral ang pain na mararamdaman ng patient. So single lang or unilateral, ibig sabihin baka may lumbar compression. Ibig sabihin may naipit na nerve sa lumbar area. Kaya nagkakaroon ng okay, good news side.
Ito.
Tutot ka sa'yo.
Ito, boss.
So, gagawin mo rin natin is to flex the nape area. Okay? So, pag-flex din yan, observe. Dapat, ganyan yan. Walang flexions of the lower extremities. Pag nag-flexion yan, i-flexion. Wow. So, ibig sabihin, may positive Brudzinski's side ka, ibig sabihin, meron kang meningeal irritation. Kaya siya nag-flex to prevent pain, para mawala yung pain na na-experience niya. So, pag merong flexion sa the low extremities, again, positive ka sa Brudzinski's side. Then, the patient is not presenting to us with meningeal irritation. Okay?